Good day, ma'am. My name is Catherine Argon Setantit. I'm 25 years old. I live in Tumawini, Isabela, Philippines. I am married. I have one son. He is 4 years old boy. My experience here in Philippines in Manila since 2019 until March 2023. I serve a Filipino employer. There are 4 family members, the wife, husband, one 4 years old boy, and one 10 years old boy. And we are 2 helper. The one helper is to take care of the household chores, and me is to take care of the 2 lovely boys. My mainly duty is to take care the 10 years old boy has autism condition. And I will teach him to take care his daily routine, proper hygiene, taking a bath, eating, cleaning, going to school, therapy, and all his activities. And the most important is to give his a love, patient, discipline, and respect all others. And when sometimes the helper is going to day off, I will do the all duties, washing, cleaning, and then cooking, and take care of the family. And the reason why I left my employer is because my father passed away. So I got married here, and I work here. So I planned to work and apply abroad. And I wish that, Sir, Ma'am, if I am the one you chosen me, I will do my best and to do all the duties to take care of you and the children, and being a kind, honest, friendly, energetic, and all the household chores. Thank you, and God bless you.